Yeah, I think early on in my life I developed really a passion for what television could mean for people. And I grew up in the South during the Civil Rights Movement. Our family we were kind of a family of outsiders that had moved from a state that had fully integrated its schools, West Virginia. And we moved to the South and in Alabama, where the schools were still segregated. And my father was a Democrat, and so we loved John Kennedy. And so television was a way for our family and for me personally to kind of connect with the world outside of this little neighborhood in Alabama that still had some vestiges of racism and other, troubling attitudes. And so for me, television was a way out, and television was a great tool of connection. And so for me, all of my life, I've tried to see how we could use the medium for its better purposes, for education and for enlightenment. Yeah, I think for any entrepreneur and for someone who goes through that big life change of leaving security for this insecure world of creating something new where you're going to have to depend on, generating your own revenue and your own livelihood, there has to be some passion deep down. And because that gives you the drive. And a lot of times you're sparked by curiosity. And for me, it was just this big question mark. Why wasn't there a documentary channel? It seemed to me logical. And so that curiosity was really the spark, and then that turned into a passion. But it has to go beyond that. I mean, I think to do anything new, a lot of times it takes so much work that it has to cross over into what I call constructive obsession.